Good morning, all of you. Physical chemistry lectures. Paper MCT P302 Electrochemistry. Unit 4 Fuel Cells and Corrosion. My name is Vinaya Pawar, MSc Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science. Hydrogen fuel, oxygen fuel cell. A fuel cell is a device that converts chemical potential energy into electrical energy. A proton exchange membrane cell uses hydrogen gas and oxygen gas as a fuel. The product of the reaction in the cell are water, electricity, and heat. This is a big improvement over internal combustion engines, coal burning power plants, and nuclear power plants, all of which produce harmful byproducts. Since O2 is readily available in the atmosphere, we only need to supply the fuel cell with hydrogen, which can come from an electrolysis process. See, for example, alkaline electrolysis or proton exchange membrane electrolysis. Although hydrogen is in its infancy as fuel source, its future is incredibly bright. The technology behind hydrogen fuel cells is improving daily, and its viability as a replacement into the internal combustion engine seems likely. Hydrogen is already being used in specialty vehicles such as buses, and it's only a matter of time before infrastructure is in place to serve the consumer automotive market. Why do hydrogen fuel cells have such a great appeal? Because their only byproduct are heat and water vapor, making hydrogen fuel cells a truly zero emission locomotive technology. Then hydrogen oxygen fuel cell are also called as back-on fuel cell. Then use fuel anything that produce energy in combustion reaction. The fuel used, for examples, hydrogen, methane, ethanol, methanol, etc. Then what is combustion reaction? Combustion reaction is the vigorous and exothermic. Combustion reaction is the vigorous and exothermic reaction that takes place between certain substance, particularly organic compound and oxygen. When oxygen combines with another compound to form water and carbon oxide, it is called a combustion reaction. Some examples of combustion reaction: propane CH3H8 plus sulfur dioxide gives thrice CO2 plus 4 water molecule and heat. When oxygen combines with another compound to form water and carbon oxides, then product carbon oxides means carbon dioxide and a water product and heat. Another example of combustion reaction: twice H2 molecules hydrogen plus oxygen gives water molecule, twice water molecules plus heat. Then another example: CH4 hydrocarbons, any hydrocarbons use twice oxygen molecule, product will be give carbon dioxide plus water molecule plus heat. Some examples are combustion reaction. This combustion reaction used in oxygen hydrogen fuel cell. Then working and construction. Firstly, construction. Construction of fuel cell or construction of hydrogen and oxygen fuel cell. This construction or this reaction electricity conduct based on redox reaction. The principle use redox reaction control the moving electron then converted electricity. Fuel is any material that can be made to react with other substance so that it release chemical or nuclear energy as heat or to be used for work. Main principle based on combustion reaction or redox reaction. Moving electron is converted or moving electron energy is converted to electricity. Construction. Two porous carbon graphite rods. One acts as a anode and there will one acts as a cathode. Used porous carbon graphite rod coated with acts as a catalysis, coated with platinum, palladium and cobalt oxide. Then left hand side chamber pass through fuel or hydrogen. Right hand side chamber pass through oxygen or oxidant. Then cover this area polymer like compound or polymer like and presents this area alkaline solution, for example KOH. Then these two graphite rod connect external circuit or external electrical circuit. Then this fuel hydrogen comes 4H plus ions react with platinum coated graphite rod reacted and then oxidize to form 4 electrons and 4H plus ions. These 4H plus ions react in alkaline medium KOH. OH minus ions. This OH minus ions. 4H plus ions react with 4OH minus ions and then reaction, oxidation reaction. First, fuel enter twice H2 molecule, oxidize using platinum rod to form 4H plus ions and 4 electrons. Then these 4H plus ions react with alkaline medium OH minus ions, 4H plus ions plus 4OH minus ions gives 4H2 and overall oxidized reaction 4H plus ions and 4H plus ions will be cancelled. Overall reaction twice H2 plus 4 OH minus ions gives 4 H2O plus 4 electron. Then 4 water molecule form in this alkaline medium. Then 4 electron moving this external electric circuit blow this bulb and to cathodic carbon graphite rod pass. These 4 electron react oxidant O2 using twice water molecule and reduces. Reduction. Twice H2O molecule alkaline medium present plus O2 oxidant plus moving 4 electron gives 4 OH minus ions. Reaction will be stable. Then this reduction reaction and oxidize reaction overall twice H2 plus 4 OH minus gives 4 H2O plus 4 electron. Overall reaction, this reaction here, overall oxidation reaction. Then twice H2O cancel twice H2O. 4 electron get cancel 4 electron. 4 OH minus cancel 4 OH minus. Overall reaction twice H2 plus O2 gives twice H2. This is a final reaction. Okay, this is construction and this is working. Firstly, fuel oxidize 4 electron to form, then 4 electron reduces oxidant or oxygen. Construction and working diagrammatically. First, flow field. Hydrogen fuel is cancelled through field flow plates to the anode on one side of the fuel cell, while oxygen or air in channel to the cathode on the other side of the cell. Polymer electrolyte membrane. The polymer electrolyte membrane or proton exchange membrane allows only positively charged ions to pass through it to the cathode. The negatively charged electrons must travel along an external current to the cathode, creating an electrical current. Then anode and cathode. Anode, at the anode a platinum catalyst cause the hydrogen to split into positive hydrogen ions or oxidize to hydrogen and negatively charged electrons. Cathode, at the cathode the electrons and positively charged hydrogen ions combine with oxygen to water which flow out of the cell. Another diagram, construction. Cathode O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron gives water molecule, and anode twice H2 gives 4H plus 4 electron, and overall reaction twice H2 plus O2 gives twice O2 molecule. Working. A fuel cell needs 3 main components to create the chemical reaction: an anode, cathode and electrolyte. First, A hydrogen fuel is channeled to the anode via flow field. Hydrogen atoms become ionized and now carry only a positive charge. Then oxygen enters the fuel cell and the cathode, where it combines with electrons returning from the electrical current and the ionized hydrogen atom. Next, after the oxygen atom picks up the electrons, it then travel through the electrolyte to combine with the hydrogen ion. The combination of oxygen and ionized hydrogen serve as the basis for the chemical reaction. A polymer electrolyte membrane permits the appropriate ions to pass between the anode and the cathode. If the electrolyte gave free control for all electrons or ions to pass freely, it would disrupt the chemical reaction. At the end of process, the positively charged hydrogen atoms react with the oxygen to form both water and heat, while creating an electrical charge. Within the fuel market, there are many different applications with different power requirements. In order to provide adequate power, individual fuel cell can be assembled together forming a stack. A fuel cell stack can be sized for just the right amount of energy for the application. Hydrogen oxygen fuel cell uses. This cell used first time Apollo space card. Small amount of used fuel, 200 kg fuel with hydrogen and oxygen used. Fuel cells are used in both stationary and motive power applications. Cars, trucks, buses and vehicles. Material handling equipments act as a primary power source for high volume data certain or commercial, industrial and residential building. Backup power source to critical computer and communication network. Generating power on site. Advantages. By converting chemical potential energy directly into electrical energy, fuel cells avoid the thermal bottleneck and are thus inherently more efficient than combustion engine, which must first convert chemical potential energy into heat and then mechanical work. Direct emission for a fuel cell vehicle are just water and little heat. This is huge important over the internal combustion engines of greenhouse gases. Fuel cells have no moving part, they are thus much more reliable than traditional engines. Hydrogen can be produced in an environmentally friendly manner, while oil extraction and refining is very damaging because byproducts are water, heat and energy. This cell theoretically voltage 0.9 volt and efficiency 60 to 70% and polluted byproducts not generated, and charging and discharging no problem. Thank you.